DIY Auto.
All right, guys, and we are back. And that's right, guys, we got some more Harbor Freight savings. We're going to be looking at the new coupons, new savings, starting Monday, February 5th through Sunday, February 18th, guys. So rolling out with some more Harbor Freight savings. So as always, guys, we're going to go ahead, take a look at these, talk about stuff that we've had experience with, that we've heard some good things about, and maybe some things that we have had some negative things or negative opinions about. We'll go ahead and talk about those as well. If I skip over something, guys, I apologize. Go ahead and put it in the comment section below and let us know what it is and whether it was a good or bad experience on your end. So, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So first up, we got air tools and compressors. As you probably already know, we don't deal with a lot of air tools, so not in my realm here of expertise. Moving on to automotive. Here we have the Storehouse Blade Fuse Assortment Set, 60 piece. Original price is $9.99. It's on sale right now for $6.99. So you can either get the standard or the ATM mini fuses. These are always great to have lying around. I usually keep a box of each lying around. They're pretty good replacements in case if a fuse blows or some weird thing happens where you need to pop in a new fuse. You have some on standby. Here is a battery-operated liquid transfer pump. Original price is $12.99. It's on sale right now for $7.99. Looks pretty cool. Never had any experience with that, but looks pretty cool. Here's a Maddox and Fender set, 7-piece. Original price is $49.99. It's on sale right now for $39.99. It's Maddox. Maddox is a decent brand from Harbor Freight. I got a few Maddox specialty tools and never really had an issue with those. Never used this set, but not a bad set if you're a body and fender guy, if you do body and fender work. Here's another specialty tool from Maddox. It's a wheel drive bearing remover and installer kit. Fit a load. Original price is $124.99. It's on sale for $89.99, so not a bad deal there. If you're looking for a set like this, I think I might actually have this set, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. But not a bad deal there. Here we have a Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump. I've talked about this before. I don't know. I don't have any experience with the Pittsburgh lineup of jacks. I've heard they're pretty good, but I usually go for the Daytona. Original price is $159.99. It's on sale right now for $119.99, so that's not a bad deal for a floor jack. And I'm pretty sure. Let's see what the warranty looks like. So you only got a 90-day warranty on that jack, and I believe that the Daytona jacks are going to be the same. It's going to be a 90-day warranty if I'm not mistaken. Here we have some Daytona 12-ton heavy-duty ratcheting. Oh, sorry about that. Here we have a Daytona 12-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. Original price is $149.99. It's on sale for $129.99. This is a pretty good deal here. I don't have the 12-ton jacks. I don't need those. I do have the, I believe they're a 2 or 3-ton Daytona jack stands, and they are fantastic. Highly, highly recommend those. So if you're in the market for a 12-ton, not a bad deal right here, guys. Here we have an Icon Long Jaw Master Puller Set, 22-piece. Original price is $199.99. It's on sale for $179.99. Icon's tools lineup and products have been really impressing me lately. Definitely great quality coming out of Harbor Freight, and the biggest thing I like is a lot of the Icon specialty tools comes with a lifetime warranty. So that is something that the Maddox did not ever come with. So that's pretty cool, guys. Highly impressed with the Icon lineup. Here we have the assorted elastic stretch cords, 12 piece. It's on sale for $6 instead of $6.99. It's a pretty good deal. Never can have too many bungee cords, elastic stretch cords. I use these all the time to hold exhausts out of the way, or any kind of components or wiring harness. This is really great for. Same with these 500-pound capacity ratcheting tie downs in a 4-pack, $11.99 on sale. These are great to have lying around, or if you're if you need to haul something and tie it down to secure it. Never had an issue with these. I've got some similar to this and used them quite a bit and never had an issue with those. So highly recommend those, guys. Here's something, guys, I would like for your opinion on. What do you guys think about this Syntec 6 and 12 volt automatic battery charger with engine jump start? I've been eyeballing this a lot for a long time. I don't really have room or a big use for it, but original price is $149.99. It's on sale right now for $129.99. It's not a bad deal. I've heard some good stuff about it, but I don't know. What's your guys' opinion? Please put it in the comment section below. Moving on to generators and plumbing. Don't really have much need here. Moving on. Hand tools. We got the Pittsburgh 1/4" 3/8" drive Starbit socket set 9-piece. Original price is $9.99. It's on sale right now for $5.99. So it's a lifetime warranty, guys. You guys can't beat that. If you guys need some extra stuff lying around, or to create a little toolbox to keep in the car for emergency purposes, or if you need to work on it, for $5.99, that's not a bad deal, and you get your lifetime warranty. You can't beat that. The quality is not fantastic, but it's going to get you to what you need, and with that lifetime warranty, you can't beat it, guys. Here's something I might get. I find myself needing these all the time. I've bought several before. Hasn't been Pittsburgh brand, but I think we're going to go ahead and get some of these. Original price is $7.99. It's on sale for $7, so you get 99 cents off. It's the SAE and Metric Long Reach Hex Key Set 36-piece. Always find myself needing these hex keys, and to have some extra lying around would not be a bad idea. We got some Quinn 8-inch self-adjusting wire strippers. Original price is $19.99. It's on sale for $17.99. Pretty good deal there. This is pretty cool. It's the Pittsburgh tool set with case, 130-piece. I don't have any experience with these guys, and original price is $39.99. It's on sale right now for $29.99. That's not a bad deal, guys. If you wanted to keep something like this in your vehicle, like I mentioned earlier, for emergency purposes, whether you need to maybe do a little maintenance on your car on the side of the road, unfortunately. Hopefully that never happens, but if you do, you have some tools to do it, or wherever you might be. If somebody needs some tools for something quick, you have the tools on hand, so that always comes in handy. I usually do keep a set of tools lying around just in case. You never know. So it does have a lifetime warranty, so you can't beat that, guys. For $30, 130 piece with lifetime warranty. If you guys break something, you can always get it replaced. So that's a pretty good deal right there. Here, these have been on sale quite a bit lately. It's the Icon Precision Snap Ring Pliers. It's an 8-piece. Original price is $74.99. It's on sale right now for $49.99. So that's not a bad deal. Tempted. I'm very tempted. I see these on the sale like almost every week now. So, and of course you get that lifetime warranty right here. So that's a pretty good deal, guys. Anybody have this set, and how do you like it? I don't really find myself needing snap ring pliers, so that's kind of why I've kind of held off on those. So anyway, moving on to lighting and specialty. Zip ties, 100 pack for $1, not a bad deal. Again, I've said this many times, you can never have too many zip ties lying around. It helps organize wires, whether it's in your vehicle or your home, your office, wherever it may be, or anything. Zip ties are so universal. It's always great to have extra lying around. Here's a 6-outlet power strip. Original price is $4.99. It's on sale for $4. I bought a few of these. I bought a few outlet stuff from Harbor Freight and never had an issue with it. So for $4, it's not a bad deal to even try. You're probably not going to get anything cheaper than that. Here's this Braun 175 lumen portable foldable LED work light. It's on sale right now for $5. I've talked about this before too, guys. It's a nice little light. It just takes a lot of batteries, and it eats batteries up like crazy. I thoroughly enjoy it. I just never use it no more because it just takes so many batteries, and it just eats through the batteries like crazy. So I just find myself not really using it very much anymore. But it's a nice light for $5, especially if you wanted it for like an emergency situation, but trying to use it as a actual work light, you're going to be disappointed. But for emergency purposes, in your vehicle, at your home, perfect light. Here we have a Syntec 9-function digital multimeter with the audible continuity. Original price $17.99. It's on sale right now. I'm sorry. Original price is $19.99. It's on sale right now for $17.99. So that's not a bad deal. Doesn't hurt to have one of these lying around. So moving on to material handling and safety. Got you some glue sticks, some gloves, some tarp, hand truck. Going on to the outdoor equipment and coupons. Sorry if I'm skipping over a lot of stuff, guys. Moving on to power tools. We have this Warrior titanium drill bit set, 29 piece. Original price is $19.99. It's on sale right now for $12.99. It's not a bad deal. I have this set. It's not going to do anything extraordinary for you guys, but just to get you through, this will work perfectly fine. For $12.99 and having a bit set, you want to do some small work, some small jobs around the house, guys, this would definitely get you through it, but it's not going to be no workhorse for you, so just keep that in mind. Moving on. Going into the shop and garage. Not too much there, guys. I'm trying to make I don't want to make this video too long or boring. Going into storage. We've talked about this before, guys. It's a metal 30 caliber ammo can. Original price is $14.99. It's on sale right now for $9.99. If you guys are going to buy any ammo cans, especially the metal ones, the best place to get them is our Harbor Freight. Hands down. These are good quality. Never had an issue with these from Harbor Freight. Other places that I have purchased the ammo cans from at $15, $20, $25, they are just junk. So highly recommend these from Harbor Freight. Again, you don't have to store just ammo in these. These can have nuts, bolts, camera equipment, tools, anything you want, anything you could possibly think of to put in these things. It will protect them 100%. We actually did a video on them with the water test, dunking it underwater and seeing if it was watertight. And guys, let me tell you, it was definitely watertight. Moving on to welding and machinery. And we don't do much welding, guys, so I can't really help you in this department. But here is the coupons nonetheless. And here we have some limited time coupons. We got a 24-foot 12-bulb shatterproof outdoor LED string lights. Original price is $27.99. It's on sale right now for $17.99. That's not a bad deal. If you need some extra lights outside. We also have a 66-foot warm white solar rope light. Original price is $19.99. It's on sale for $16.99, so that's not a bad deal there. And here we have the 20% off all Predator generators. So that's a pretty good coupon right here. So 20% backed by popular demand, 20% off any Predator generator. So here's your coupon code. It's valid through from the 5th through the 18th. So if you guys are needing needing a generator, there you guys go with 20% off that. All right, guys, and that concludes the Harbor Freight savings for the new coupons, new savings. Again, that's starting Monday, February 5th through Sunday, February 18th, guys. And there is your Harbor Freight savings. So guys, sorry if we skipped over a lot of stuff that you might have been wanting to know about, but again, we go over what we've had some experience with or what we've heard is good out there. And I don't really mess with any of the generators or the welders there, so I can't really give you an opinion if I don't have experience with it. So anyway, guys, there you guys have it. There is your Harbor Freight savings. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. Please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have